Assalamualaikum everyone, and my name is Muhammad bin Rizal. I'm from Engineering Foundation in Pusat Asasi UiTM Dengkil, and today I'm going to show you on how to use a Microsoft Excel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the marks and determine those marks can be resulting in a pass or fail. Okay, so in this situation, imagine there's a sports and fitness teacher from a high school conducting a BMI test among students in the class, and to determine if there are students who are failed or pass the BMI test or BMI exam by using the Microsoft Excel. So normally people would calculate one by each name. Okay, so by doing that, it could lead to time consuming, and sometimes it could lead to errors. Okay, so luckily there's Microsoft Excel, and it can help you more efficiently and less time consuming. So first of all, we need to find out and determine their BMI score by using their weight and height which been given. Okay, over here you can see their names. Okay, the list of names and their weight and height data, which you can also see over here. Okay, so we all know that the BMI formula is weight in kg divided by height in meters square, or height in meters, that is height in meters also. Okay, so instead of calculating one by one, okay, you can do it a lot faster in Microsoft Excel just by select this box as a reference. All right, select this top row as a reference. Okay, so we would use all of this top row information as our reference. All right, so to find out their BMI, we just have to create a formula, and the formula will substitute and come up with this result. Fuck. Right, so first of all, we would find out their BMI result, okay, by using their weight and height over here, and you also have their names written in the list over here. Okay, so we all know that the formula for BMI is weight in kg divided by height square in meters. Okay, so from there we can calculate their BMI score. So before Microsoft Excel existed, people would count one by one, and which it could take a lot of time because it is time consuming. And the good thing is, by Microsoft Excel, you can do it a lot faster and more time saving way, and it could also reduce a lot of errors. Okay, so first of all, just select the top row as your reference. Okay, so take the BMI score column over here, which the BMI score results will be shown in this column. Okay, so select the top row in the column. Okay, so first of all, we need to put in the formula of the BMI. Okay, put the formula, and then we're going to substitute it, and then we're going to find out the results from there. Okay, it's easy. First of all, just put the equal sign, okay, and type B2, because B2 is our reference for weight. But instead of pressing B2, which is fine, because when pressing B2, the B2 box will be highlighted. And why is it highlighted? It is because it is ready to be substituted into the formula, and it will come out with a result. Okay, so you can just type B2 or just select B2 box, which will be highlighted by itself. Okay, and press the division symbol and press the C2 as your reference for height. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, C2. Yes. All right. As you can see here, C2 is highlighted in red color, whilst the B2 is highlighted in blue color. All right, this is really normal. Okay, this is for showing the difference and to avoid confusions. Okay, so all right, continue. All right, so the height, it has to be in square. Okay, so just type square, power, which is power of 2. All right, once you put the formula, okay, over here, once it's done, press enter, and the result will be shown. Okay, this result. Okay, if you don't want a lot of decimal numbers in your result, you can reduce it by pressing the decrease decimal icon here. You press until let's say you want the result to be 2 decimal places. So you press until the result shown in 2 decimal places. Okay, so the result has been shown. Okay, so what about the others? Okay, what about the others? Why just Adam? Why not Barry, Charlie until Muhammad? Okay, so you don't need to panic. Okay, you don't need to type it again. You don't need to repeat all the steps again for what, 12 times. Okay, all you need to do is take your cursor to the edge of the box over here, and then you will see that the cursor will turn into a plus sign bolded in black color. Okay, just press and drag it down until the last name in the list, and then release it, and all the results of the other students will be shown. Okay, and that's it. It took less than a minute, to be honest. Okay, so it's not going to be time consuming anymore. All right, so it's going to be saving a lot of time, and yeah. Alright, so once we finish finding out their BMI score, now we will determine their result, which will determine whether they are overweight, underweight, or normal. Okay, so this is the table over here which shows the result of the BMI and the result whether they're underweight, normal, overweight. 10 will be underweight, 20 will be normal, and 30 will be overweight. Okay, so press the result, the top row of the result column over here as our reference. Okay, and press FX and find VLOOKUP. Search for VLOOKUP. Press OK. Okay, and put D2, the BMI score, as a lookup value. The table array. Okay, press here and highlight. Okay. Oh, sorry. So the lookup value will be D2. Okay, and then the table array will be C23 and D25. So before that, press F4 between C and 23, okay, which will come out a dollar sign between on both sides of the C. Okay, this shows that the table arrangement has been locked. Okay, so the same goes to D and 25. Press F4 and it will do the same thing. The column index number. Okay, so we want to find out the result. Okay, we have already had the BMI result. Now we want to find the result. Okay, so press the column 2 and then press OK. So as you can see here, all right, it looks like Adam is underweight. All right, so just like I said, between 10 and 20 it will be underweight, and it also shows the same result over here. Okay, which is good, which is a good sign. Okay, so just like we did for the BMI, okay, we take our cursor down here and make sure it shows a plus sign in bold dark in the bold black color. Okay, press and drag down until the last name in the list, and there you have it. Okay, so that's how you determine the BMI and to find out whether they're underweight or normal or overweight. So that's it. So basically, you just learn how to use the formula and VLOOKUP. Okay, so uh, this is all for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I wish you to have a good day, and best of luck in the finals, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.